Hello dear students, today we will discuss the simplification of expressions containing square root in denominator by rationalizing the denominator. Here the term rationalization means the process by which a fraction is written so that denominator contains only rational number. Let's see example. 2 by root 7. Here the denominator containing the term square root. So we have to remove square root. Then how we remove? Here we write 2 by root 7. And we just multiply numerator and denominator by, here since the denominator is root 7, so we multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. That is root 7 by root 7, which equal to 2 into root 7 means 2 root 7s, and root 7 into root 7, which is 7. And here denominator is 7, which does not contain any square root. It is only a whole number. So we just remove the square root. And here we rationalize the denominator. And let's see another example. 3 by root 7 minus root 5. Here denominator also contain the term involving square root, and here we have to remove square root. Hence we just write the fraction, that is 3 by root 7 minus root 5, which into, then we just multiply numerator and denominator by the term. Here the term is root 7 minus root 5, and we multiplied by, since here is minus term, and so we multiplied numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 5. Here is also root 7 plus root 5 equal to 3 root 7 plus root 5, and here root 7 minus root 5 into root 7 plus root 5. Here we use a formula which is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And let's see, root 7 minus root 5 into root 7 plus root 5. Here root 7 is a and root 5 is b. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a is root 7, so root 7 square minus root 5 square, which equal to 3 root 7 minus plus root 5. Root 7 square means 7 and root 5 square means 5, equal to 3 root 7 plus root 5 by 7 minus 5, 2. And this is answer. Here clearly you can observe that 2, the denominator containing the term 2, which is not involving any square root term. So we rationalize denominator, and hence this is the answer. And let's see some another example. See the example, 2 plus root 3 into 5 plus root 7. Here the first term is 2 and here is 5 plus root 7. So we multiply 2 by each of the term 5 and root 7. Here we just multiply 2 by 5 and we multiply 2 by root 7. So we write 2 into 5, that is 10, plus 2 into root 7. 2 into root 7. Here is plus sign, so we write plus. And again we multiply root 3 by, at first multiply root 3 by 5 and we multiply root 3 by root 7. That is root 3 into 5, that is 5 root 3. Plus here root 3 into root 7. We write root 3 into root 7, which equal to 10 plus 2 into root 7 is 2 root 7 plus 5 root 3 plus here root 3 into root 7. Here we use the formula. See the formula. Root a plus root b equal to root a into b. So here we write root 3 into root 7 equal to root over of 3 into 7, that is 21. And this is the final answer. And let's see another example. Root 7 plus root 3 whole square. And here we use the formula. All of we know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here root 7 is a and root 3 is b. So we write root 7 whole square plus a square plus b square mean root 3. Root 3 whole square plus 2 into a into b. That is a is root 7 and b is root 3. Equal to root 7 square is 7. Root 3 square is 3. Plus 2 root 7 into root 3. We just multiply these two numbers. 7 into root. We write root and 7 into 3, that is 21. Equal to 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 root 21. And hence the answer. And let's see another example. Here the problem is root 6 plus root 3 into root 6 minus root 3. Here we use the formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And here a is root 6 and b is root 3. So root 6 plus root 3 into root 6 minus root 3 equal to a square means root 6 whole square minus b square means root 3 whole square, which equal to root 6 whole square means 6 and root 3 whole square means 3, equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. And this is the answer. So today we learned some examples of rationalizations, and thanks for watching.